Ebusian for my mouth, Aquaba, and found Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesra will like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification also so that anytime I post a video, bit say we are Usambe Kebi. Ebusian for in 2028, ye papa Nana Addo, Dankwa Akufo Addo. Start project ke CRB. I met me aka say project we no. Unprecedented. Being seed. Ewa history me ba no sports. And that project no na yesi wo Boteman Sports Complex. Now Boteman Sports Complex no esi 100 acres. Assassin kwa 100 acres. So 1 acre 4 plots. And 400 plots of land so. Osum ye pa. Osu ye. A prime location na Accra. Now project no na anka say 50,000 seater sports facility. But COVID nti the delays bebree na buy. That notwithstanding, Akufo Addo aban use 143 million United States dollars. And see this very huge gigantual complex. Olympics. Olympics standard. And Akufo Addo aban see. Ewa Boteman. Na uko Boteman Sports Complex no ho ewa aquatic center feature an Olympic standard 1,000 seater 10-lane competition pool paired with an 8-lane warm-up pool designed by Mitre Pools. Olympic standard pool no ewa 10 lanes. They say nipa baku 10 at once. Na enwechi no na isan wo 8-lane pool utimi ye wall map wo ho. 1,000 seater indoors. Uko honswa ewo multi-purpose sports hall. Isan 1,000 seater. Or ubetimi abo basketball, utimi bo badminton, utimi bo netball, utimi table tennis, any weightlifting yina. 1,000 seaters. 1,000 seater. Ewo Boteman hall. Ewo tennis center. Ewo 1,000. It's also 1,000 seater. Okay. I showcase 4 standard additional courts. Or main showcase court and then an additional 4 standard courts. A tennis court. And I saw a multi-purpose dome, 500 seat collapsible temporary structure, housing handball, volleyball, judo, karate, and taekwondo. And which some athletic and field tracks, which include a 6-lane warm-up athletics tracks paired with a FIFA standard football training pitch. FIFA standard football training pitch. Things better me training war. FIFA standard. Now vision in here say after the All African Games, no, you see university complex, University of Sports Development or University of Sport for Development. Ebe cover the whole of West Africa and even beyond. This was the vision of Nana Addo, any MPP. If Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia had won, and Caribbean by now, the university has been built and maybe started taking in people. But NDC aban we buy, they have neglected Boteman. ene ayami de say enye MPP communicator bi enye MPP sympathizer bi ena ene o complaining say Boteman Sports Complex has been abandoned. Say upe so call for hunting na upe grass cutter, upe big snakes, any other stuff. Boteman Sports Complex, that's where you can get it. Because this incompetent NDC government are abandoning structure. No, at their friend maintenance part there be. Now, they say, Johnnie Hughes. Johnnie Hughes. And they complaining. Johnnie Hughes. And MPP ni.
It's good that we do that. It's good that we show you. There's a neem tree coming up. And we know what neem trees do, right? They literally uproot everything, unless it's on purpose. But clearly, this is not. Now look at it. Look at it. Look at the drains. Look at the gutter. Look at it. Just look at it. Now, beautiful track. Beautiful. International standard. Beautiful. But again, we are allowing the weeds to grow. So very soon, you and I will be told, we need some money to be able to take care of this, and it's gone bad, and we have to treat it, and we have to take care of it. But people are paid. Look, the politicians, I always say, the politicians will come and go. The civil servants and the people close with authority must be able to do their work, and must be able to expose the politicians when they don't do their work. We are all involved. This is a national property, and it's for all of us. I am sad. I am really, really sad. Now, look at it. The football pitch is supposed to be from this end, right, to that end, the far end. But because we were not able to weed, we decided that, okay, let's weed a portion of it. And you can clearly tell that it was because this games was going to happen. That's how come this was weeded. This is fresh, right? Freshly weeded. You can tell. Freshly weeded. You can tell. Yeah, weeded not long ago. They have even not collected the grass. As the Nigerians would say, they have not packed the grass. Now, the park is supposed to be extending from here, right? Extend from here, right? All the way down to this place, right? But because they couldn't weed everything, that we're going to give the people a half park to play on. So if you measure, if you're a footballer and you measure this end up until that end, is not a full park. The full park is supposed to be from here all the way to this end. Again, see, we couldn't weed everything, so we left it. And again, if you check the other end, we also couldn't weed it, right? So we left it. Now look at the rice farm. Take a look at our rice farm. And the rice farm continues all the way to the top. It's a shame. It's a real big shame. It's a shame. It's a real big shame.
Akwa ude dem it wo be so life ebesu ebe equalize say no man no president for aba obi aba wo bodam. Madam, the comment section in favor. Go to the comment section, you hear what people are saying. And someone can say dollar is down, a 2 year we are still no dollar form. And say dokuno bo aba in 2 year we are all monte. You people are heartless and wicked. What means for say I see what it now one te ha. And I for quiet demonstration about the children hospital. Sanka NDC for operationalizes our children hospital now. And kwa mu nyi nkwala no, e free kwa lebu for mama ha. And ka bed ni na anu ya wo kwa hu sister no kwa ba kwa hu nkonya bed na so. Munyansa dodo. E na de nyina bedu ba bi ade abedu no. Esu ofa nkrofo, e Emma nipa 37 we our president. Ekoto showers of blessing no. Did you come out to criticize him? And then the wusu nya ba akope ewu. Obi ewu obi ayache ewu obi. Madam, go and sit down. Go and find somewhere and sit. Unyu ewu. Omo nipa 37 na ensuo fa omo na omo wu no. Omo so omo ni nuanom. Ana omo do mabusuafo obi anya celebrity wo mu ninti no. Mofo say anya omo ya. Sani ewu obusua ne ewu eye wo ya no. Sa na wo omo no ensuo fa wo omo no. Omo so obusuafo edi yawo. You brought this useless offense government to power. And all of a sudden, your family member is dead. So we should come and mourn with you. We are busy mourning the 37 people who died because of your government's incompetence, because of your government's neglect, because of this party now, because of their wickedness. So, nobody will sympathize with you because your sister is dead. We are busy mourning the 37 people now. And so, and so now, that flooding that we could have prevented. No, we are busy mourning those people. So go and sit down. Mama me so life will be me disturbing and you're busy. And the 37 no, president now what is no. When declare even a single day of mourning, I'm a woman. So the rest of us, common floor members, we are busy mourning the 37 people who got drowned. And the 37 no so far woman. Yeah, money. Because that person, those people now in so far, they are not better than them. It could have been me. It could have been any relative of mine. It could have been a loved one of mine. No one. Miss Bell, who sister now, she is not better than any of the 37 people now. And so do you. But your party decided to go and do Thanksgiving. Even after. Ese nipa 37 so na no na nipa 8 go we no ye declare 3 days mourning e de ma nipa 8 and so when nipa 37 ewu not a single day of national mourning and ye declare ma wo. We are pretending as if say it never happened. It's been exactly a week. And so kunkrofo and so the president of this country, all in the name of my allocate me say 300 million and 150 million and what to say? Omo and so yirifa womo no President Muhammad and more 1 cup akoma womo. Miss Boy, we are busy. Who sister we are monko family house na monko soon. We are not interested. Social media, you're not interested. Do not come and tell us, say, government aba and a government echo and to be able to provide the best. A government came and after going through COVID, they decided to build 111 hospitals. Some of these hospitals are near completion, 90% completed. Yeah, so air conditioning, your good machines so. Yes, me. Some of them are completed that we can operationalize. Why by now what company man and they say, oh me china. Ya so air condition. And yes, this say say machines in so. Intimates bill. Any panel, unfortunately, they will continue to die.
Mami,
Do not disturb us again. I must me patch on me ba. Miss Bell, me so live. And me disturb Ghana for so obusu eniye because we are hospital. There is no bed in Kolebu. We don't care. 37 people have also died. Any part 37 yewu. Yeah, money with those families. We don't have time to come and mourn with you. Oh yeah, celebrities. Celebrities a code hospital bed. Edema hospitals a no. Oh, in your career, as I obey a musician, no. What me out one single bed according to the Amakolebuda. Don't come and disturb us. We are mourning 37 people. Don't come and disturb us with your one. Thank you. Kofi Ajempacho, mami into you.